Saving time is at the core of Service Plus Customized. Whatever you don't have to build or assemble yourself saves time. And exactly this is the idea behind Service Plus Customized. Here, we are talking about ready-to-use components that we assemble and install for you according to your exact specifications, even for a batch size of 1. Motto: outsource instead of doing yourself. As for the currently available services, Ms. Hinderjock will now give you more details.
Well then, we not only supply you with pre-assembled complete drawers in almost all possible variations, but also matching vanished fronts, completely individual for your kitchen, made of steel, solid wood or MDF. And that in perfect handcrafted quality, precisely to your specifications. This also applies to our Lux linear lights, the combination of LED stripes and design aluminium profiles in the usual Häfele quality. You decide how your light will look in the end. You have less work to do and also save on storage costs of the single components. The best part, it all works from as little as 1 piece. You can easily configure complete drawer units and linear lights online. And we will do the rest for you as part of your team.